late.
In a quarter mile, take a slight left turn.
Hey, come with me. Spend the day with me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's do a quick unboxing. I am sitting outside needing to go in, but I need this item right here. Sorry about that over there, but I'm trying to find the item that I need to wear. Okay, so, oh my goodness, it's getting all twisted. Okay, so let's start with the bag. The bag, of course, the bag, is from Chanel. I love Chanel. It's a true unboxing. Making this really quick. Okay. And then inside we have a little small box with the camellia and the Chanel ribbon wrapped all the way around it. Take off the camellia. And then here is this. And inside is this really soft velvety bag. Well, it's not a bag, but I don't know what it's called. But it's really soft. It says Chanel. Uh-oh. Okay, that was like I don't know what that was. Okay. Oh my gosh. And inside are these double C's. I wanted to wear pearls. I thought these were pearls, but these are not pearls. These are double C's. So that's a fail, but at least we got it unboxed. I'll give you the details down below because these are really sparkly. I think I picked them up because I lost one of my Chanel earrings, and so this is the replacement. Okay, so that's the first one. And again, I'll give you a where am I? What am I doing? Okay, so here is the second one, and hopefully the item is in here. I don't know where. If not, I don't know where it is. So this one, I already started unboxing it. So this is the little camellia. Here is the blocks with the ribbon, the Chanel ribbon. And then inside is very smooth to touch. And yes, okay. And this is, oh my goodness. I'm sorry. I'm like, oh my goodness. Okay, here it is. Look, can you see that? It has pearls inside of the diamantes or strass or whatever you call it. So I thought this would be perfect for today's attire because I need to put on the pearls, and then it's got bling. Okay, this one's, oh Lord, which one? Where? Okay, we're gonna have to go like this because that's the only one that it can, oh my goodness, fit. Everything is falling. Yeah, this one, I don't know if I can squeeze it and make it tighter. I don't think so. So we're gonna put it like that. And this is a Chanel ring. Again, I'll list everything down below because I am really running late and I need to put on my necklace and something else that I forgot. Oh, I need to put on some earrings and I need to clip this off. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Let's go. I really need to double it, but I don't have time. I need to get the scissors. Okay, one other thing, new glasses. Oh my gosh. Quay, Australia. Is it called Quay? Oh my gosh, I am not ready for this. Whatever. I'll take the price tag off. Just thought this would give a little bouginess. I need to wipe them off. Oh my gosh. I'll list everything down below. I gotta go. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay. I need to get this price. Oh. It's okay. Oh. I can get it off like this. I'm trying to get this thing off of the glasses. Oh Lord. I guess you can't. Okay, one moment. Okay, I can't walk and hold it and chew gum at the same time. Here we go. A horse just tried to run me over. It's not even. Oh, look.
You're wrong. See, look, you ruined him.
Uh-oh, I see somebody. I see somebody coming up on him. Somebody's coming up on him. Come on, come on.
All eyes on you.
There's a race, they have to come first, second, and third. In the exact order for $1.
Alright, that's the end of my day in the life on February the 22nd, 2026. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.